I guess here was living the kid. Nice stickers and good hiding. One more thing to do. Either remove it complete or fix this little hole with some rest of the wallpaper. Let's see if we can make it. Yeah? It's quite similar. Get this piece out, then we can remove, hopefully easily, the rest. What we cut below. Just a little bit left. No? Nice. Good. First attempt worked. Now we fit it in. Right, as it is. Already stuck in. And we put the glue on. Wait a little bit. Get it soaked in. And then we can put it over. Just fix it in. And lay down and paint over. So no one should see where this hole was. Similar structure of the wallpaper, not quite the same, but doesn't matter when you put white paint over it, totally okay.